Hi, I'm Steve at the Carmichael Workshop. Today I'm going to make a miniature guitar Christmas ornament for Joe Kersma's 3D printed maker tree. Joe Kersma over at the Joe Makes channel is making a full-size Christmas tree, and he's 3D printing all of the green branches. It looks really cool so far. I'll include a link to his video in the description below and also up here so you can check that out. He asked a bunch of different makers to make some Christmas ornaments and send them to him so he can put them on the tree. And eventually those will be donated to the Kids Network. To get the project ready for the X-Carve, I basically traced an image of the Gibson Explorer using Microsoft Visio to make a 2D drawing of the guitar. Then I was able to export that as an SVG file that I could import into the Inventables easel software and send it to the X-Carve. Let's go cut it out. Okay, here's the miniature electric guitar ornament with a strap and everything. I used a 1/16 inch spiral upcut bit, and it's amazing the detail that the CNC can cut. It even cut all the little fret wires, which is cool. I want to thank Joe over at the Joe Makes channel for putting together the Maker Tree collaboration and helping out some other people here at Christmas time. I'll put a link to a playlist up here and in the video description in case you want to catch up on Joe's Maker Tree project and all of the other ornament videos that were submitted. Now I'm going to go inside and get in the warm house and hang this on the tree. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.